Hello students of Standard 10. Welcome to the e-learning classes of DAV Moyle Public School. Subject Science. Our today's topic is production and management of citrus crops. Citrus encomprise a group of fruits such as mandarin, sweet orange, lemon, lime, pumulane, and grapefruit, belonging to family Rutaceae with basic chromosome number X equal to 8. Juice present in the vesicles is the edible portion of the citrus fruit. The juice contains 12 to 14% sugar, citric acid and ascorbic acid. In India, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab, Northeast states, Karnataka and Bihar are the major citrus producing states. Soil and climate requirements. Commercial citrus cultivations in India is done on soil ranging from coarse sand to heavy clays. Ideal pH ranges from 5.5 to 6.0. The growth and development in citrus is optimum in temperature regimes ranging from 25 to 30 degrees Celsius to minimum of 13 degrees Celsius. Annual rainfall of 1800 to 1900 millimeter will distributed throughout the year is optimum for citrus growth and production. Commercial cultivators of citrus fruits are sweet oranges, mandarins, lemon, lime, grapefruits, pew, melon. Like in sweet orange, Mosambik, Santagudi, Valencia, pineapple, Jaffa, like that in Mandria, Ovra, Silver Hill. Along with that in Lemunal, Nagpur, common, Pew, Melon. Such type of commercial varieties can be grown as shown in the table. Propagation and rootstock. Citrus trees are propagated by both vegetative means and sexually by seeds. Vegetative methods are preferred because by they ensure uniformity in quality and bearing. Seeds of several citrus species are polyembryonic and nuclear seedlings, which produce true two-type plants. Mandarins and acid limes are most propagated as seedlings. Lemon, citrons, sweet lime are easily propagated by stem cutting. Air layering is mostly practiced in Pumlon, Mandarin, acid lime and seedless lemons. Most of the citrus cultivators are propagated by tea budding on a suitable rootstock. Rootstock and polyembryony. Rootstock commonly employed for citrus propagation are rough lemon, sour orange, karna khatta, rangpur lime, sweet orange, strange like Torrens, trifoliate orange, and Cephalopatra mandarin. Planting. Commonly planted in a square or rectangular system. In a square system, the planting density of 4 by 4 meter, 5 by 5 meter, 3 by 3 meter can accommodate 625, 400, 111 plants per hectare respectively. Pits of size 15 to 50 cm are dug in summer according to the layout plan and mixed with 15 to 20 kg well-rooted FYM and 50 grams chlorophosphorus and filled tightly with topsoil. The best planting time is beginning of rainy season. Nutrient management. For sustainable production of fruit and for proper maintenance of plant and soil health, efficient nutrient management program must be adopted. Citrus is a nutrient exhaustive crop as plant in the population density of 400 plants per hectare can remove about 200 kg nitrogen, 250 kg phosphorus oxide and 200 kg potassium oxide per hectare. Foliar sprays of micronutrients has been given beneficial effects on improving the yield and quality. 1 to 2% urea along with ZnSO4, MnSO4, MgSO4 each at 0.5% and CuSO4 at 0.25% is beneficial for all citrus cultivators. Physiological disorders like granulation. This is the major disorder of sweet orange mandarin where the juice sac becomes tough, enlarged, colorless and tasteless. There is a marked increase in the pectic substances, gels, etc. and marked decline in sugar, orange, organic acid and carotenoids. These fruits are insipid and fetch poor price in the market. Some of the factors associated with it are high soil humidity, high relative humidity and temperature during fruit growth. Hamlin and Mosambi orange are highly prone to granulations. This malady can similarly effect was also noted with the spray of ZnSO4 plus CuSO4 plus KCl each at 0.2% at monthly interval after August to October. Fruit cracking. This is the common disorder of sweet orange and acid lime. The splitting starts at stellar end and progress towards the pedicelllar end. Splitting is basically caused due to factors like deficient soil moisture, atmospheric temperature, and relative humidity. Borax spraying, check splitting, and timely application of irrigation water must be ensured. Plant protections from insect pests like aphids of several species, citrus, phacelia, leaf miner, lemon butterfly, fruit-sucking moth. The detailed study of damage and its control measure are given in the table. Diseases like Tristeza, greening, Phytophthora, root or gummosis bacterial canker are some of the diseases which are seen on citrus plants. The symptoms and control measures of different type of diseases found on citrus plants are given in the table. Look at this table. Maturity, harvesting and yield. Time of harvest in citrus varies with the region and the species. Marketable maturity is generally judged with the change in rind color. Commercially, TSS acid ratio is the most variable method and it ranges from 10:1 to 16:1 depending upon citrus species and flush. Khasi Mandarin in northeastern states is harvested during October-January, while Darjeeling Mandarin is harvested during November-December. Kinnaur in Punjab is harvested during January and February. Nagpur Mandarin is harvested during April to July. Mosambik is harvested in April to June. In Maharashtra, hand picking is the most popular method to collect fruit, while in some regions, harvesting by shaking of main stalk is also done. Maximum productivity in citrus ranges from 700 to 1000 fruit per trees, which depends on the age of plant, cultivators, rootstock, and management practices. Quinoa plant can yield 300 to 800 fruit per plant. Mandarin gives 500 fruits per plant.
Now it's time to check your knowledge about today's topic. Here are some questions as your assignment.